Hello, shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today we're going to talk about my absolute favorite mid-range price-wise, but great skincare line. So this has been a very most requested thing, I would say, from emails I've received from you as well as on comments on YouTube, that you really want something that works, that is mid-range, and most mid-range skincare products are mediocre, and that's just the honest to God truth. They're mid-range price because they use mediocre ingredients, which means you're going to see a little improvement, but not a whole heck of a lot. So what I'm focusing on today is a brand that I actually really, really love, and I've loved for a long time, and I've been chasing them for a long time in order to carry their products on my website. Thank God, because I'm a licensed esthetician, they've agreed to have it on my website, which I'm super grateful for. It's ImageMD. So this brand was formulated originally by a plastic surgeon and an esthetician, and is typically only carried in brick and mortar locations throughout the world. 30,000 locations actually. So it's very well known. It is hugely popular. It was made originally for mature skin. That was their focal point with this, which is one of the reasons why I really gravitated towards it, because all of you are like me, where over 45, basically. In the making of this video, I am 57 years old. I do not use plastic surgery or injectables on my skin. And because I think many of you really want to avoid all of that, and you really want to just take great care of yourself, use great products and great techniques just to be your highest and best self, which is my focal point. So that is the reason that I picked this particular brand and why I picked Image. I think Image is a great brand within itself. It has many other lines under the Image heading. ImageMD is one of those. So what we're going to talk about today is basically a bundle that I'm carrying that you can buy individually, or you can buy it as a bundle, and it's called the ImageMD system. So the ImageMD system contains a cleanser, a moisturizer, a vitamin C serum, and a retinol. So these are the basics, the absolute basics. If you want just tell me what I absolutely need to get that I can use morning and night, that is reliable, that isn't going to cause reactions, that is going to see a difference in my face, and I'm going to see a difference in my face, I would say get the ImageMD system, because it contains everything, okay? A cleanser with AHAs, a moisturizer with an SPF of 50. We're going to go through all of this. It also has a vitamin C serum with 3 different types of vitamin C that I love, and I'm going to talk about each type and why it's in there. And then a retinol that is not going to cause any irritation, that you would use at night as a sort of a night serum, that you can use every single night, which I think many of you have wanted, but a lot of retinols are too harsh. You can't use them every single night. Depends on the percentage in it, in the particular bottle that you're using, particular brand. This one is such that you can use it every single night. I love these. I'm very excited to talk to you about them. We're going to briefly go over each one of these 4 products in the bundle so that you are very clear. If you don't want to get the bundle, that's fine. You can just get the individual products, which is, great as well. And what I love about this particular bundle is that you can take it apart, you can put it together, right? It's great. All right. Anyway, before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshamanstore.com to shop and look at what's available in this particular line, as well as sign up for my newsletter. I have insider discounts, deals, and also makeup lines that I really love. And then also please hit the subscribe button and the bell here on YouTube in order to be alerted every time I upload a video. Okay, let's get going. Okay, so for starters, we're going to talk about cleansing, because we need to clean our face morning and night. So this is the one I use. This is the ImageMD Restoring Facial Cleanser. This contains AHAs and BHAs. So AHAs are alpha hydroxy acid. That includes lactic acid, salicylic acid, and glycolic acid. So what alpha hydroxy acids do is they tell the cells to rejuvenate, to create more fresh skin cells. So in skincare lines, you want some alpha hydroxy acids, you want some acids, because that's how you exfoliate your skin. Exfoliation is what is key to the whole anti-aging. I do quotation marks around that because I'm sort of not pro that language around it. I love aging. I'm very pro-aging if you follow my channel. On the other hand, that's the word we all Google, right? Anti-aging. So if you're looking for that, you want to deal with AHAs and BHAs in your skincare to some degree in order to encourage exfoliation. This also contains green tea extract, which is a wonderful antioxidant, and panthenol, which helps with hydration. One of the things I love about this is that it removes makeup. Oh my God. So I'm lazy at heart. I don't want to remove my makeup and then clean my face. It just feels like that one extra step. I'm really I'm a very sort of simple person when it comes to self-care. I don't want to do 50 things. I just want to have it be much more streamlined, and that's where this removing makeup as well is really key for me. Okay, it retails for $36, which is fabulous. I've been using this for, swear to God, like 3 months. And I would say I probably have another month's worth in it. So bang for buck, really great product. Okay, the next product is the Restoring Daily Defense Moisturizer. So this has SPF 50 in it. So what I love about this is, again, I'm lazy. I don't want to do my moisturizer and then my sunblock on top, even though I do that. I do that every single day until I started using this. So I put this on and I'm covered for the whole day. If I need a little bit more at night, that's fine. You can wear it at night. It contains zinc oxide, which is one of the things that helps with sunblock and sunscreen. It does have a teeny tiny bit of a white residue when you first put it on. Immediately it absorbs into the skin and you don't see it. So I love that, because some of them you put it on and you're kind of left with that residue all day long. I don't like that. I don't like to have to deal with that when it comes to my makeup. This does not do that. The last thing I really love about this is it contains what's called Ferrament, which helps to block the damage from blue light radiation, which comes from our computers and our cell phones. I'm actually very sensitive to EMFs and I'm sensitive to blue light radiation, which is why, yay, I love this. I also wear, for those of you who are interested, glasses when I'm on the computer that are a deep red tone in the lenses, and that blocks the blue light from my eyes, because what happens is then I have a hard time sleeping if I'm on the computer all day, which I'm on the computer all day, every single day. So things like the red glasses and things like this also really help to block that out, which we need in our society because we are on devices so much of the time. All right, this retails for $52. You know, I've been using this every single day for, again, like 2 months, and there's still a bunch left. So, you know, goes a long way. All right, so the third product I want to talk about is vitamin C serum, and that's found in the Restoring Youth Serum. So it's kind of a white bottle. There's also a Restoring Youth Repair Cream, which is in the blue bottle. So just to keep these two straight, this is the retinol, this is the vitamin C. So the vitamin C is absolutely necessary. I would say this and the retinol are my two products that I would say every woman needs in their skincare regime. I will put in the upper corner why that is and really break that down for you, why those two ingredients are so important. But suffice to say, in this particular brand, they have 3 different types of vitamin C in this product, which is fabulous. You can use this morning and night. I use it just in the morning, and then I use the retinol at night, but you can use this in conjunction with the retinol without any problem at all. All right, so the types of vitamin C in this are tetrahexadecyl ascorbate. Ooh, I said it. I always blunder over that. Blah, blah, blah. Magnesium and sodium ascorbyl So those 3 types are fabulous types of vitamin C, especially the first one. Tetrahexadecyl ascorbate is excellent. It's an oil-soluble vitamin C that is great for the skin. It is actually put in the ingredient deck. It's put high enough where it's going to do some good in your skin. It's going to do a lot of good in your skin, but it's not going to cause irritation. Vitamin C can sometimes cause irritation in people. I have not had this problem with this particular brand. So if you do have some irritation, you put it on and then you give it a day and then you use it again. You allow your skin to adjust to it. It is excellent for your skin, vitamin C. I highly recommend it. Even if you get a little irritated, just keep working at it because it does provide so much nutrients to the skin that it's worth it. Okay, so what does vitamin C do that is so great? It firms and brightens. It helps to diminish fine lines and wrinkles. It helps with collagen production. It contains palmitoyl tetrapeptide number 7. And what that does is it helps with collagen production, which we love. We want our collagen to increase, right? Because it goes down like 10 times as we get older. Once you hit 50, your collagen production takes a nosedive. So anything that can help to promote collagen production is excellent. And lastly, it contains Malus domestica, which is a fruit extract, which helps with nourishment and hydration, which we also love. All right, all of those are fabulous. Okay, this retails at $95, which for a vitamin C serum, some of you choked because you're like, $95? $95 for a vitamin C serum is actually really great, especially for a great quality vitamin C serum. I mean, they range from, one I sell on my website with Truth Treatments is $200, all the way down to, you can get one for $10 somewhere. Whether or not that's going to do anything is another question. Depends on the type of vitamin C C, the quantity, that sort of thing. If you have deeper questions around vitamin C, check out this video that I made about specifically the 8 different types of vitamin C. It's a little TMI, but the great news is you can shop like an expert once you read that article and watch that video, because I really lay out what the differences are and why it's so important. Okay, lastly, it is the retinol. Okay, this is called Restoring Youth Repair Cream. I love this. It is retinol, and retinol is so important for the whole, again, quotation marks, anti-aging. And the reason why is it helps with exfoliation. Retinol is vitamin A, and vitamin A is one of the absolute best ingredients for exfoliation, along with alpha hydroxy acids, like I talked about in the beginning. This also contains glycolic acid, which is fabulous to help with cell rejuvenation and to really help products to get deeper into the skin cells, because it does a tiny bit of damage to the top layer of your skin. Sounds counterintuitive, but that's what retinol does, is it damages the top layer, and then your skin says, oh, let's create more skin cells, let's exfoliate, let's brighten. Really does. It's like a miracle cure, not cure, but a miracle ingredient. Okay, that's why retinol is so fabulous. Okay, so it improves all the signs of aging, and it also contains kojic acid, which is a brightener. Love that. If you do have more questions about retinol, watch this video. I keep referring to other videos, but that's the video where I really go into retinol and what it is and why you have to have it. Okay, needless to say, this is $84, which is a great price for a really good retinol. Again, these last forever. I've been using this once a day. I've used it for probably 2 months. There's still some left in it. So I love this. You know, kind of in closing, okay, so we talked about all four products. I would say bang for buck, this line is absolutely fabulous for, you know, women over 45, 50 years old who really want to fight signs of aging, okay, anti-aging, but there we are back at that, for a mid-range price. So again, I do want you to check out the bundle where you can get all 4 in one. It's $220. You save $50 off of the purchase of all of them if you bought them separately. You actually save $50 if you buy them in the bundle, which is great. It's $220. Again, it'll last you, depending on how liberal you are in using these, you know, I would say 2 to 3 months. I mean, it's really, they really come jam-packed with a lot in there. Really does a lot of good. So I love this brand. I love this particular Image MD under the Image heading. So I really encourage you to try it out. Please let me know if you have any questions down below. I always love hearing from all of you. And I hope you're doing great and having a great fall as we lean into fall right now. All right, have a great day. And thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.